them. And then that balances out. So the humpy's got the big hump. You see that? Hey, which? No, these aren't sardines. These are salmons. Salmonoids. Uh-oh, that one tried to swim out. No. These are pink salmon. Those are sockeye salmon there. This is a rock. Yes, salmon. We love salmon in Alaska. If you like smoked salmon, you want a piece of the action, I clean cohos. They're all stuffed all nicely full of ice. We're catching dinosaurs, really. We're dinosaur hunters. Can I do it?